So I can see that you've already set to work here. It's unusual when we book in a car for roof rust that we have the rear tailgate off.
Yeah, we could normally do that, but it's some rusty on the back lip and into the back job.
Oh, okay. So that's a little bit extra, and then we've got.
And then the usual.
Yeah, I see it.
Windscreen out.
Yeah, windscreen out, clean it up. Okie dokie. Come on, we'll put a bit of primer on. Hit it. People love watching you spray, mate.
It's not too exciting, it's only a bit bright.
Ah, people love it. All right. So we got to let that flash off or something,
Yeah,
and then.
we sort of let that flash for a couple of minutes and then we just put another coat on exactly the same. And then we've got to bake it off, dry it out.
I believe this is a Mugen.
Mugen.
Pretty little thing.
Yeah, it is. It's got Mugen tag inside.
Yeah, proper Mugen. All right, we'll check back in a bit, mate. Well, I tell you what, it's lovely and warm in this oven. It's the right place to be at Dynodaze at the moment, is in the oven. Oh, someone turned the lights out. That was a bit claustrophobic for a moment with the heat that's going on in here. So the roof has been prepped and painted, and now we're waiting for Uncle Keith. There he is. He's waiting to put some lacquer on. He's obviously waiting for this to. Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it's cold out there, mate. It's warm in here. It's like that scene in Star Trek. He won't get that. He won't get that. Who would I be? I suppose I'd be Spock. Anyway, enough of that. So FN2 is nearing completion, so we're going to wait. Uncle Keith's going to put some shiny lacquer on it. Yeah, looking forward to it. Beauty. Bit of shiny, Archive. Woohoo! Yeah, shiny. Don't breathe that in, kids. Sorry, Keith.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.